Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to insert a default page and template in FreeCAD. As you can see that I have created a very simple model, and we will understand with this very simple model how we can insert a default page and template and what is the difference. So for this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least 1.0 or higher version of a FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on a FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal Mechanical Engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. Here is a language option. Just click on the language, it will be get translated. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. And once you click on the tab, you will be directed to my 3D model library. This 3D model library is free to use. All you have to click on the image. You will be directed to the Google Drive, where you will get a FreeCAD part as well as 2D drawing. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page, you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings, and here you can use this drawing for your projects, or you can use this drawing to practice the 3D modeling in a FreeCAD. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on a ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow. You can also visit my Ko-fi shop, where I have uploaded small FreeCAD projects which you can buy at very nominal price. So your small donation will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have a model, and I have already created a page, so I will delete it. So here if you see, I have activated the Techdraw workbench, but none of the tool is active. And if you see here, so we see the two options. One is a insert default page, and one is a insert page using the template. So if I wanted to create a drawing, I can create with inserting a default page. So once you insert a default page, you will get a blank page, which means that you can create your drawing on this page, where title blocks, other things you will not get. You can create your own. So if you want to create just any layout or sketching or any rough drawing, okay, if you do not want to provide lots of technical informations like angle of projections, tolerances, and drawn date, material, etc., then you can use this default page. If you want to create just a rough drawing to send someone to understand the major dimension model. But on the other hand, I will delete this page, and here is the second option, is using the template. So what are the basically template is, if you install the FreeCAD, then at a time of a default installations, this template will be get inserted. So if you see the template size, so it start from the large and then the small. For example, A0 is large, then A1, A2, A3 and A4, and you will see the options of like minimal, advanced, or A4 blank is there, and as per ISO is there, ISO 5447. So my part is very small, so I can choose either A4 landscape or A4 portrait. So let's go with A4 portrait options. So here I can see that A4 portrait and A4 landscape. So I will select the minimal A4 portrait and press enter. So you can see that A4 size template is inserted. And now let's insert the A4 landscape. So delete it, again go to the template, and here if I scroll down, so here is a A4 minimal landscape, press enter. So here the A4 paper I got in a 2 format. So my part is very small, so I will use the A4, and if I have some bracket, then I will use A3. If I have some structural component where the welding is given, then I will use the A2, A1 and etc. So this is the very small tutorial how to insert a template, and what is the difference between this default page and this default installations template. So basically the main difference is that if you wanted to do some rough work, then use this one, and if you wanted to do the technical works, which means that any drawing you wanted to manufactures, then use the default template. And if you have a good knowledge of using the Inkspace tool, then you can create your own SVG file and you can customize your own template and create a template for your brand, for your company. But the basic idea is to understand in this lecture what are the templates, and now we will learn the next how to update the template field in FreeCAD, how we can customize this template here. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.